Fire in the hole, let's cook some chickens. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Let me show you what I got going on here today. This stuff in this jar is Jose Pagan's secret sofrito. In case you don't know, sofrito is a kind of a Puerto Rican condiment, and they put it on everything. They put it on rice, they marinate meat with it. In fact, I'm going to marinate one of these chickens with Jose's secret recipe that he won't tell us the ingredients to. Dennis has asked him, and he refuses to tell us what's in it. It's kind of a thick mixture of something. It's got mostly, I think, garlic and cilantro. Can you see that? Yeah, you see that thick stuff? I think it's got mostly garlic and cilantro in it, but it's got some other things in it. But what I'm going to do with the other chicken is I'm going to make my own sofrito. We're going to go head to head, my sofrito against Jose's sofrito. So let me get my ninja chopper here. Where did I put that? Here it is, over here. Okay, I got my ninja chopper going. I'm going to throw some a whole onion in there to start with. Got an onion, and I've got 2 cloves of garlic, 2 whole heads of garlic, and some green bell pepper I'm going to throw in there. Most of a green bell pepper. I got to get it to where it'll shut so I can grind it down. I probably should have cut that up, huh? It's not too late. I got a knife right here. Let me cut that up a little bit, get it where it'll fit into my chopper. Cut it up again. There you go. Okay, that's in the chopper. That ain't gonna work because you gotta have the blade for the chopper's gotta be showing. So let me get the top on that and give it a little. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, let me just give that a little work in progress here. Okay. It's already starting to look like Jose's sofrito. Not really. But yeah, Jose is being a little secretive with his sofrito recipe. He won't tell us what's in it. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to make our own. So okay, we got the green bell pepper and onion in there. I got to put some more. We got to chop that some more too. So let me get the top back on there. Chop that up some more. Sorry about the noise. Okay, let's go for the next thing here. This is the most interesting part of this recipe. This is culantro. And culantro is coriander. This is the leaf of the coriander plant. And we're going to get some of this off of here and get it in the food chopper. Culantro is something I never worked with before. I bet your Rivet Gardener knows what it is. But yeah, culantro goes in there. And also, we have some cilantro. You know about cilantro because you use that all the time, but you probably didn't know about culantro. Culantro is the coriander leaf, the leaf of the coriander. So we get that incorporated up in there. Okay, moving right along, we got some cilantro that we're going to throw in there. A good bunch of cilantro. Let me set that aside. So we've got so far onion, culantro, cilantro. What else? Onion, oh, the bell pepper, green bell pepper. And this is the Puerto Rican sofrito. It's different from the Spanish sofrito, which has tomato in it. This doesn't have any tomato in it. So while we're doing this, we're going to put a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic in there. And don't worry about the garlic because we're going to put 2 whole cloves of garlic in there. We're going to put a little bit of cayenne pepper, about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in there. That's just my little touch on that. That's not anybody's recipe. And also we got a little bit of cumin. Gonna put about a teaspoon of cumin in there. Cumin is very strong stuff, and I don't like the taste of too much cumin. Okay? So the next thing we got to put in there is 2 whole heads of garlic. So let me show you what I got here. This is how I get my garlic to peel. It's easy peeling garlic. I got a little can that you get these around Christmas time. People bring cookies in them. So I'm just going to put those 2 heads of garlic in that can and put the top on it and just shake it like that for about just a few minutes. I won't bore you with that. I'll bring you right back when I get it peeled. Okay, as you can see, the garlic has been peeled. And all the peels are in the thing there. We're going to put all of 2 heads of garlic in there. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That one didn't get peeled good enough. 5. I got to peel it a little bit better. 6, 7, 8. Whoops. Got a little bit of peel in there. 9, 10. We're looking at about at least 20 cloves of garlic. I got to do a little bit more peeling. Enough. So that was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know if I'm going to get 20 out of this. 16. I don't like the looks of that one. 17. 18. Nah, that's all I'm going to get. It's 18 cloves of garlic. That's a lot of garlic, let's face it. So let me get the cover on that. Get it ground up. Take a look at that. Don't go anywhere. Looking good, huh? Looks almost like Jose's Sofrito. Not exactly the same, but very close. It's kind of a darker green than his, probably because I use more bell pepper than he does. But that's your basic Sofrito right there. I'm going to put that on the other chicken. We're going to marinate them overnight, and we're going to come back tomorrow and cook them. So stay tuned. I got my chickens trussed up on the rotisserie. You can clearly see my Sofrito has got a darker green color, and it's kind of chunkier than Jose's Sofrito. They both smell excellent, and these chickens are going to be outstanding. But we're still going to do a shootout and see whose chicken tastes better, and we might even get Dennis over here to taste it. So stay tuned. While these chickens are cooking, which takes about 45 minutes to an hour, we're going to drink a beer, so stay tuned. Alright, the Yardbirds are done, but it's time for the tasting of the beer, a little thing I like to call the Frosty Root Boy mug. And here's today's beer, a hazy little thing IPA from Sierra Nevada. And this hazy thing is like a craze that's going around now for hazy colored IPAs. I can't wait to see what this looks like. And yes, it is hazy, for sure. Got a bit of head, but we're not going to overfoam. We already made that mistake. Fool me once, can't fool me again. Yes, sir. Got a lot of frost on my mug, but that's cool. That means it's nice and cold. That's a nice pour right there, I guess. It's half beer and half home. I don't think I can get the whole can in there. It is hazy for sure. Definitely hazy. A hazy little thing, IPA. Hazy little thing called beer. Let's take a sniff of that hazy IPA. Don't that look good? Oh man, that smells great. That's a hoppy smelling beer right there. Let's quaff the froth off it, Roll. Look at all that froth. Wow, that's definitely a great beer. A hazy little thing IPA. It is hazy. I don't know why it's hazy or what makes them hazy, but it is hazy. There's no doubt about that. Sierra Nevada hazy little thing IPA. It's alcohol 6%. Not a lot. Good stuff right there. Good stuff from Sierra Nevada. All right, let's take a taste of these chickens and see which one we like better. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna taste our chickens. This one is Jose Pagan's Sofrito chicken with his secret Sofrito. We're gonna cut into that breast right there and get a taste of that. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I'm licking my lips. That is delicious. That's Jose's. Let's taste mine. Let's see how mine turned out. I think it's going to be a contender. I wanted to get Dennis over here, but he's busy. Anyway, there's my Sofrito chicken. Oh yeah. It's good. It's very good. Not as good as Jose's, I have to say. I gotta find out what he puts in that stuff. I just don't know. Anyway, babies, that's my video for today. You know, I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, check out the iCard. I forgot to figure out who I'm going to put in the iCard this week, so it's going to be a surprise to me as well as to you. But check out the iCard. Somebody will be up there featured. Come back next week. Look at that hazy beer. Isn't that great? Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Okay? Bye.